The MH-139A Grey Wolf program represents one of the most important modernization efforts currently underway in the U.S. Air Force, specifically within the Air Force Global Strike Command. With the award of the third production contract in October 2025, worth $173 million and covering 8 additional aircraft, the program has officially moved into a more accelerated procurement phase. This latest contract brings the total number of Grey Wolf helicopters ordered to 34, with further orders expected as the Air Force works toward full fleet replacement of the aging UH-1N Huey helicopters. The Grey Wolf is a multi-mission helicopter built to meet the unique demands of securing and supporting America's land-based strategic deterrent. The UH-1N has served since the 1970s, and while it has proven reliable, it no longer meets modern performance, safety, or mission requirements. The MH-139A provides a significant leap forward in capabilities, especially in terms of speed, range, payload, and survivability. The upgraded performance is crucial for patrolling and rapidly responding to incidents across the vast, rugged, and often remote regions where U.S. nuclear missile silos are located. These include missile fields in Montana, North Dakota, and Wyoming, areas that require long-distance travel under varying weather conditions, including high winds, snow, and low visibility. The Grey Wolf is based on the proven AW-139 platform, a civilian helicopter widely used around the world for search and rescue, law enforcement, and offshore transport. The U.S. variant is militarized through a unique partnership between Leonardo and Boeing. Leonardo assembles the baseline airframe at its U.S. facility in Northeast Philadelphia, while Boeing is responsible for the final military configuration and integration of mission systems. This includes secure communications, navigation upgrades, defensive systems, and modifications to support operations in contested environments. Unlike its predecessor, the MH-139A is faster by nearly 50%, can fly 50% farther, and carry a payload 5,000 pounds heavier. These improvements translate directly to better mission flexibility and operational efficiency. The aircraft is capable of flying longer patrol routes without refueling, responding faster to security threats or emergencies, and transporting more personnel and equipment in fewer sorties. In a time where national defense assets must remain flexible, efficient, and effective, these performance enhancements ensure the Air Force maintains an edge in securing critical infrastructure. The first set of Grey Wolf helicopters was delivered under a low-rate initial production (LRIP) contract awarded in 2023. Those 12 aircraft were delivered to Malmstrom Air Force Base in Montana, which houses one of the country's 3 intercontinental ballistic missile (ICBM) fields. These helicopters began flight operations and training soon after delivery. In April 2024, a second contract added 7 helicopters to the program, this time with some units earmarked for Minot Air Force Base in North Dakota, another key site in the ICBM network. Throughout 2024 and into 2025, the Air Force conducted rigorous testing and evaluation of the Grey Wolf. This included multiple phases of initial operational test and evaluation (IOT&E) that assessed the aircraft's ability to perform in realistic mission conditions. These tests were not only technical but also operational, involving full crews, simulated missions, and coordination with security forces and support units. The aircraft demonstrated success across key parameters including flight performance, reliability, maintainability, and crew coordination. The completion of IOT&E in May 2025 was a critical milestone that cleared the way for the transition toward initial operational capability (IOC), indicating that the Grey Wolf is ready for active operational deployment in limited roles. One of the most telling indicators of the Grey Wolf's maturity and mission readiness came in August 2025, when an MH-139A assigned to the 40th Helicopter Squadron was called into action during a civilian emergency. A 73-year-old hiker had gone missing in a remote mountainous area of Montana, and local law enforcement requested assistance from the Air Force. A crew flying the MH-139A was pulled from a night training mission and redirected to support the search and rescue operation. The aircraft, equipped with advanced sensors including forward-looking infrared (FLIR) and night vision systems, was able to locate the missing individual after civilian and National Guard efforts had failed. The crew performed multiple sorties over difficult terrain, finally spotting a light signal and identifying the individual through thermal imaging. A flight medic was hoisted down to stabilize the hiker, who was later extracted by another military unit. This operation demonstrated the real-world capability of the aircraft to operate under pressure in challenging conditions while highlighting the professionalism of Air Force personnel. Beyond emergency operations, the MH-139A has also been participating in structured field exercises designed to simulate its core mission, supporting and securing nuclear convoy operations. From March to April 2025, the helicopter was used in the nuclear convoy course held at Camp Guernsey, Wyoming, which included exercises with tactical response forces, simulated perimeter breaches, and long-haul patrols. These exercises tested how effectively the helicopter could insert and extract troops, coordinate with ground units, and operate in austere field conditions. Feedback from these exercises continues to inform adjustments to training, maintenance planning, and mission integration. The program has so far stayed within projected cost and delivery schedules, a notable achievement for any major defense acquisition project. Boeing has refined its production process and delivery coordination with the Air Force, allowing for predictable rollout of each production lot. The focus now is to accelerate deliveries without sacrificing build quality or mission readiness. Over the coming years, the Air Force plans to replace all 63 of its UH-1N helicopters with MH-139A Grey Wolves. The transition will not be instantaneous. As new aircraft are delivered and brought online, legacy aircraft will be phased out gradually. Training for pilots, crew chiefs, and maintenance personnel is ongoing, and lessons from early deployments are being used to fine-tune procedures and documentation. The goal is to ensure that by the time the Grey Wolf becomes the standard airframe across all missile wings, the support structure and operational knowledge will be fully in place. The Grey Wolf program reflects the Air Force's broader commitment to fielding advanced systems that enhance national defense without introducing unnecessary complexity or risk. The MH-139A offers a proven, low-risk platform upgraded to meet the demands of a high-consequence mission set. It delivers more capability at lower long-term operational cost, and it strengthens the security of the most sensitive and strategically important sites within the United States. This program is not just a fleet replacement, it's a vital modernization step that ensures America's strategic deterrent remains secure, responsive, and well-supported well into the future. The MH-139A Grey Wolf's continued success is a testament to coordinated planning between industry and government, to the skill and adaptability of the Air Force's aircrews, and to the enduring priority placed on national defense readiness.